Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the work safe. Isolate and lock out the circuit, then verify the supply is dead with a voltage tester. Once done, remove the call point cover to access the terminals, identify COM, no, and any tamper contacts. Now prepare your conductors. Strip about 6 to 8 millimeters of insulation to expose a clean conductor. Make sure to use the right gauge for the loop and keep wires neat so you can seat them securely in the terminal blocks. Next, connect the incoming loop to the COM and no terminals as labeled. Panels typically use COM and no for a short-to-alarm signal. Then attach the outgoing loop on the matching terminals so continuity is preserved around the circuit. This keeps the loop supervised. If the device has a tamper switch, wire it to the designated tamper terminal. Make sure earth or chassis ground is fitted if the system specifies it. Take care to torque terminals to the manufacturer's recommended setting to avoid loose connection. With wiring complete, replace the cover and restore power while watching the control panel for a supervised status. Now perform a continuity check across COM and no, then trigger the call point to confirm the panel registers an alarm. Make sure the tamper state returns to normal when closed. If anything goes wrong, first remove power and recheck terminal torque and correct terminal mapping. Then inspect for stray strands or pinched insulation. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.